In this video I'm going to unbox a mic from Boya. So it is a ByM1 model, which is a very common model for voice recording. If you are a YouTuber and you want a mic with a high quality voice recording at a cheap price, then you can go for this mic. So this mic is available on Amazon. The brand new will cost you around 800 to 1000 rupees and refurbished will cost around 450 to 500 rupees. So this is a ByM1 model. So here you can see the compatibility: smartphone, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorder, PC, etc. The MRP of this product is 1995 rupees. So let's unbox this. So these are some documentation which includes warranty card, manual, and here is our mic. So there is one small bag with which we can carry our mic. As this is a refurbished unit, we had got mic and other accessories in this condition. So let's keep this aside and let's move on to the mic. So here is the mic. The wire is very long and here is the condenser in which we will need to put a battery. So battery will be included in this packaging. So let's open this. So here is the qualified certificate. This is a clip. This is a 1/4 inch adapter. If it is useful to you, then you can use this. So here we get a foam windscreen which we'll need to install it on the mic so that the noise doesn't get recorded while recording. But before that, we'll need to install the clip, which will be very useful to mount or hold the mic on the collar or anywhere. So this is called a lapel clip. So to install it, we'll need to just push it inside this mic and this will get fixed. Next we'll need to install this windscreen. Just plug it into the mic. Make sure you carefully install this as it could easily get damaged or torn. So now I have done with the installation of this windscreen. So this will help to reduce the noise. So now you can just clip it onto your collar or anywhere where you wish to mount the mic. So with this we also get a LR44 battery. To make it work, we'll need to insert the battery into this condenser. So make sure you properly insert this into the condenser of the mic. So once you insert this battery, you can just put in the cap. So now we are done. So one more thing, in this condenser you will find camera and smartphone. If you are recording the voice by connecting it to the PC, you will need to turn this on to the camera, and if you are plugging this into the smartphone, then you will need to just turn this off or put it in the smartphone position. So this is what you need to carefully follow in order to successfully record voice from this mic. And this is the other side, 3.5 mm jack, which we can insert into the smartphone or PC or whichever device from which you wish to record the voice. The wire is very long enough, so this will fulfill your purpose even if your device is far away. So this is a very premium brand mic. So if you want to record high quality voice without spending much, then this is a mic which you should buy. I have mentioned the links in the description of this video. You can directly purchase it from there. In this video, the voice you can hear is recorded from this same mic, so you can judge the quality